Good morning, students. Class 12, Chapter 5, Lecture number 7, Homework Solution. So, in Lecture 7, the homework we given was Exercise 5.5, question number 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There were total 7 questions which were given in your homework, out of which I am going to discuss with you 4 of the questions. Right? So, let us start with Exercise 5.5 questions. So I will start with question number 3. Okay. In question number 3, what they have given us, they are asking us to differentiate the function given is log of x and its power is cos of x. As you can see, there is a condition of, or there is given what function to the power function. Log x is one function, cos x is another function. So whenever function to the power function we follow logarithmic differentiation. So for this we will be doing what? Taking log both the sides, right? So we will take log both the sides. So taking log both sides, what do we get? We get it as log of y equals log of x whole power as cos x. Now consider log x as a, cos x is b. Log of a to the power b is equal to b log of a. Correct? Log of log x. So whenever you are making such changes, you should mention the reason that because log of a to the power b is equal to b log of a. Clear? Now we have log of y equal to cos of x into log of cos x. We will consider this as first function and this complete as a second function. So as we know now, there are two functions in product. We can use what? The product rule of differentiation. So now we will write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Correct? Okay. Now we will write d by dx of log of y equals d by dx of the complete function that we have. The function that we have is cos of x into log of log x. Clear? This is the function that we have to differentiate. Now let us differentiate it. So I'll take another sheet. So we actually have log of y. I'll just write that statement again so that you can relate it. And here we have, just a second, I'll write with dy by dx only. So what we have is d by dx of log of y equals d by dx of cos of x into log of log x. This we have. Correct? Okay. Now let us differentiate. Log y differentiation will be 1 upon y dy by dx equals, now applying the product rule here, first function as it is, differentiation of log x, the second function. Clear? That means u as it is, differentiation of v plus second function as it is and differentiation of the first function which is cos of x. Let us differentiate it. 1 upon y dy by dx equals cos x as it is. Now see, we are differentiating log of log x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it will be 1 upon log x, and we will now do for, right now we have done for this log. Now we will do for this log. So log of x, differentiation will be 1 upon x. Clear? Plus log of log x into differentiation of cos x, as you all know we have done it already, it is minus of sin x. Clear? Now dy by dx will be, just to see, we will have cos of x upon x log of x. Clear? Then plus, or I should just write minus because plus is here and minus is here. Plus minus will be minus. Now log of log x into sin x. Clear? And we will transpose that y to this side. Clear? Now we know the value of y. Let me show you what was the value of y, the function that we are differentiating. See, just see here. The value of y was log x whole power is cos of x. So here instead of y, what we will write? Log x whole power is cos x. This is how you are going to do question number 3, and I hope you all must have been able to do it. Let us just go to next question, which is question number 7. In question number 7, the function which is to be differentiated is given as log of x whole power is x. So you see, function to the power variable is there, plus x to the power log x. Now what is the difference? Here function to the power variable, here variable to the power function. So again, you know, in this case what do is we take log on both the sides. So taking log on both the sides, what do we have? We'll have log of y equals log of, now just to see, I wanted you to notice it. Can you take log of this equation? Log of a plus b, like this. Is there any formula for log? You don't have it. So in these kind of questions, as I told you, is what you need to do, this will be our wrong method to do it. The right method is to consider one function as u, another function as v. Now dy by dx will be calculated as du by dx, d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Now we will separately calculate du by dx and dv by dx and put in our equation number 1. Let us do that. So here, what is u for us? Just to see, log of x to the power x. And what is v for us? X to the power log x. So let us differentiate on a separate sheet both the functions. Just to see here. Now what is our u? Our u is log of x to the power x. Here you see we can take log on both the sides. So taking log on both the sides, what we will have is log of u equals log of log x की power x. Correct? X to the power x. Taking it, you know, log of a to the power b is b of log a. Right? We know this. So what will be the next step? The next step will be x will come in front. It will be written as log of log x. So we'll take x as one function and log of log x as a second function. Differentiating both the side with respect to x. Now dy dx of log u equals dy dx of x into log of log x. As you see here, two functions are in product, we can use product rule. Log of u, it will be 1 by u and du by dx equals, first function as it is, we are going to do differentiation of log x plus log of log x now as it is. We will write it the same way, and differentiation of x we will do. So I'll just write the differentiation on the next page. So we will have 1 upon u du by dx equals. So let us see what should be there. You see here, x is as it is, log of log x. So what will be the differentiation of log x? 1 upon log x. And when we do for log x, right? That will be 1 upon x. So I will write x as it is. Log of log x will be 1 upon log x. And then we do for log x, it will be 1 upon x. We can cancel x and x here also, see. Plus, now log of log x is as it is and differentiation of x is 1. So what will be du by dx? It will be 1 upon log x plus log of log x. And this whole will be multiplied with u. What is the value of u? As we know, we assumed u as log x to the power x. So we'll just place that value. Now you can take the LCM also and can write it in a more simplified way, or you can just put your answer as like this also. So I just put the value of u here. So what we have got? We have got du by dx from here. Let us name it as equation number 2. Clear? Similar way we are going to solve for v. Let me show you how will we be solving for v. So just writing on the new sheet, v will be x to the power log x. Clear? As I can show you in the starting of the question, what was there? See, we had 7th question as log of x whole power x. This was our u, and v is x to the power log x. Clear? So I have written v. Now taking log on both the side, what we will have? Log of v equals log of x to the power log x. You know the power will come in front here. The same identity as we have been using in other questions. Log of x into log of x. Now either you apply the product rule, or you may write it as log of x whole square. Clear? Just to see now. Log of v will be 1 upon v dv by dx. Clear? Equals log of x square. So first of power function, it will become 2 log x. Then you will do for log of x, which will be 1 by x. So dv by dx will be 2 log x divided by x whole multiplied with v. What is the value of v that we have? X to the power log x. Clear? Let this be equation number 3. So we now have equation 2 where du by dx is calculated. We have calculated dv by dx also. Now just see here. I made the equation 1 as dy by dx, du by dx plus dv by dx. Now you have both the values as I can show you. Here we have du by dx and here we have dv by dx. You just have to write in addition in dy by dx equation, which is equation number 1. So this is clear. Now I'll discuss one more question, which is question number 9. So let us take a new sheet and we will be doing it. In question number 9, the function which is given to you for differentiating is x to the power sine x. It is also the same kind of question. I know you might have been able to do it. In case some of you haven't done it, you can just refer here and do the necessary corrections or learn from here. Just to see, question number 9 is this, right? Now again, as you know that log of a plus b will not be any property, is not any property for log. So we'll just separate them first. We'll consider this as u and this as v. Clear? Then you will do differentiation both the side with respect to x. You get du by dx plus dv by dx, as we have done in question number 7 in the previous question itself. The same way this question is going to be done. You will consider this as u, correct, and this as v. The complete function is v. Clear? Separately differentiate them. Find du by dx and dv by dx as we have done in the previous question. So I don't think there is much discussion needed in this. You can do it on your own. I will be discussing question number 11 completely. In question number 11, just to see what is given, the function given to us is x cos x. You already see there are two functions in product. to the power x plus x sin x whole power as 1 upon x. So this is the question. Clear? Again, you have to consider u and v separately in this. In question number this, we'll consider it as u plus v, where u is this function, v is this function, as you can clearly see. So what will be dy by dx? It will be du by dx, that is d by dx of u first, and d by dx of v. So what we will do is, we'll differentiate them separately and then place the value of du by dx and dv by dx in this equation number 1. Let us start solving on a separate sheet for u first. U is what? X cos x to the power x. So u is x into cos x whole power as x. Taking log both the side, we will have log of u log of x cos x divided by x. So as you know the property of log of a to the power b, we will come into the front. Log of x cos x, and here log of u you have. Now as you know, here are two functions, one is x and one is this complete function. So we are going to use the product rule when there are two functions. So in product, now see, log of u is 1 by u du by dx. First function as it is, differentiation of log of x cos x. So log of x cos x is 1 upon x cos x. Now we will differentiate what? X cos x, and here you have to use a product rule separately. As you can see, there are two functions. Plus, now you will write log of x cos x as it is, and you will differentiate x. Clear? Let us now see what we will be getting. X and x here are already cancelled, you see. 1 upon cos x. So in this, what will you write? First function x is as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? Plus cos x as it is, and differentiation of x is 1. Here we have log of x cos x, and differentiation of x will be 1. Now what you do? You can multiply this cos inside this. So actually what will you get? Let me write here. Just to see, you will get du by dx equals, when you multiply this cos inside, the first term will be minus x. Sin x upon cos x will become tan x. Okay. Plus cos x into 1 upon cos x will become 1. So this will be the first term. Okay. Then plus, what do we have? Log of x cos x. Clear? Here we had 1 by u. So these two complete terms will be multiplied with u. What is the value of u? This one. X cos x whole power is x. So you have found what? Du by dx. Similarly, we will find dv by dx. So you always have to keep in mind, the purpose of making you do the complete solution is, what do students do? They will be keeping first function as it is here, right? And when they do for log of x cos x, they just write 1 upon x cos x and forget to do again for x cos x. Do not do these mistakes. Same here also, students write 1 by u and forget to write du by dx. Please pay attention. Logarithmic differentiation, there are questions also which come into board exams, and it is really important for you to practice as much as possible. So similarly, you can solve for v. Let us see what was our function v. Just see here, the v function is x sin x to the power 1 by x. So similarly, I'll just hint you about it. V equals to x into sin x and whole power as 1 by x. Clear? In this, again, we're going to take log both the sides. So when you take log both the side, 1 by x will come in front and log of x sin x. So in the similar way that we have done for x log of x cos x, we can solve this one also. Do not forget to use the product rule when you differentiate it. First of all, you are going to do for log and then for x sin x. So I hope these questions are quite clear to you and you are able to attempt them. So this is all the discussion of homework. Now you will get some more questions on logarithm only, logarithmic differentiation only in the next lecture. So that's all for today. Thank you.